Hello, and welcome to my studio. Just kidding. So here we are with another Schmorschmorial, a unboxing, a review of a straightener, the Duvolle'S Desire Series Styling Iron. I'm put my hair up in a ponytail on the top of my head all day today so we can put this to the test and see how it works. I want to say shout out to the people over at Duvolle'S for giving me this product to try. They also gave me a 70% off coupon code. So if you like what you see in this video of how this product did my hair, you can use my code to get 70% off on the product. But I have high expectations and hopefully they fulfill them. So here we go. I really like the boxing. First reaction, love it. Sleek, easy to open. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. My first thought was like, oh my God, did I get a straightener or a vibrator? But I do really like the color. I love this color. You open it up and then there's a instruction kit, which we're not gonna read. All right, we're plugged. And, ooh, now I don't know if you can see this, but I'll go in. I don't know if you can I still don't know if you can see it. But it's got an on and off switch in there, bam. And then it has a dial to tell you how hot you want it. Right now it's set to 450 degrees, which seems to be the max, which I'm okay with. Oh, you know it's on. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna let it heat up for a second. Got the little swivel cord. I don't know if you can see that low. So you want it at a high heat, 450. If you have thick hair, very resistant hair to straightening. My hair, I would say, is more on the resistant end of things. It's normal. I wouldn't say it's super thick, but sometimes I have a hard time straightening it, so I'm gonna keep it on the ultra maximilian level. All right, it's feeling hot. Should we touch it? No. My gut is telling me no. All right, here we go. Do. Okay. Woof. All right. Yes, I have faded pink hair right now. Dyed my hair during the quarantine. So let us break this up into sections, and we're gonna try it out. La. This is before, kind of. Okay. Oh, green means. Oh, red means stop. Green means go. Ow! Oh God, that means it's ready. And then it goes. Oh, that is so cool. Ooh. Okay, so I gotta tell you, I like the heaviness of it, the way it feels when I'm putting it on my hair. Like you feel like it's there. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I like how it feels in my hand. So, just to give you an idea, this is the side I quickly did, maybe a couple of minutes. This is the side not done. I like it. I am very impressed. I am very, very impressed. 2 thumbs up. Let's try this side and see how it goes. So a lot of the people that are subscribed to my channel, my YouTube channel, are from the olden days when I used to make videos, and then I stopped because I got kind of burnt out. Ooh, feels so smooth. Anyways, blah blah blah. I'm revisiting it again, mainly because I have making videos again. Oh God, you guys, if I'm a little bit out of it, it's because I'm taking classes. I live in Los Angeles, but I've been taking classes on the East Coast, like with people from the East Coast. And I have to get up so early for the class that I'm like, just like a zombie by the middle of the day here. It's like, whoa, welcome to Earth. But yeah, I got a little burnt out. Look, oh God, I could go, I'm making a whole nother video about this. But I got burnt out. I wanted to get back into traditional acting, which takes a lot of time preparing for the auditions and stuff like that. And I didn't feel like I was making substantial stuff on my channel anymore because YouTube, you know, I would take classes at, oh, this is hot. This is hot. When you touch it after you roll it. Oh shit, that's hot. I should be wearing gloves. I'm not. They would, at YouTube, when I would take classes at YouTube, they would say, make videos that cater to your audience, you know, what they want to see. And you guys, all y'all wanted me to do all the time was burp. And at first I thought it was cute. So I was like, oh, okay, yeah, sure. You want me to burp? I'll burp, whatever, subscribe to my channel. But lo and behold, I discovered that it was a fetish thing. And then I'm discovering all these montages and videos of myself burping on the internet, and it's getting hundreds of thousands of views. I know somebody watching this right now went through my videos to just hope that I would burp and then made a compilation of my burps throughout my videos and then made money off of that video, selling it to God knows what. Look, I mean, I'm not gonna knock your hustle because, you know, you went through hours and hours of footage to find those clips of me burping. Bizarre. So whatever, do you know, make your money. But come on, drag me through the mud. So I stopped posting because that's not the stuff I wanted to do. You know, I wanted to do comedy. I started by making funny videos on this channel and with my girlfriends in New York City, and some of them did really well. You know, my 101 Ways to Twerk and Broken Hearts Foundation and stupid silly videos that I like to make, comedy characters and satires that, you know, got me some cool meetings. But I felt like I was going down the wrong path because, you know, I was very ignorant and just wanted to get popular and make videos that, or do things that other people wanted to see. It's like, it doesn't get any more real than that. Do you know what I mean? Like, when people start asking you to burp, then it gets weirder. Then they want you to fart. Then they want you to freaking show your feet. And then it starts to become evident, okay, something's not right, you know? And unfortunately, I wasn't the sharpest tool in the shed to understand that's what was going on. I think I was so driven to, you know, raise my popularity online that I just got lost in it and I wasn't aware of what I was doing. But that's okay. And now I had a little extra time because of the lockdown to get back to my roots and make some content. But I do have some comedy stuff coming up. I've been editing some videos that I shot 5 years ago. The problem is that, you know, what also got burnt out is that I do all of this stuff myself. So I edit it and shoot it and write it, and it can get a little tired. It can get a little time consuming and hard when you're like in a show or you're auditioning or, you know, working a side job. It can get overwhelming. But I'm gonna try my damnedest to get back to it. It might not be as consistent as I used to be. I was trying to do the once a week, twice a week thing. Whoo, was that hard? Did I have no life? But for all my burp fans, I am writing a series called Burp Girl, which I crowdfunded in 2015. Oh my God, we've been writing it for 4 years, but because of this lockdown, we've been writing consistently an hour a day, and we're almost done. I think I've rewritten this series, turned into a movie, turned into a series. We've rewritten it like 3 times. So, and it's about superheroes who burp and fart. So, you know, you can't be too delicate with this sort of thing. Very nice, very nice. I really recommend it. I think they told me in the email that it's $28, $28.50. I think it's good. I mean, I definitely recommend it. If you're looking for a straightener, I recommend this product, especially with the 70% off. I mean, come back to me if you're thinking about it, right in the comments below, and I'll let you know how it did for long term. This is the first time I unboxed it, but first impression, you know, it's cute, it's small, it's like, it's good. It's very good. I'm addicted, I love it. I love it, I love it. No, can't stop looking at it. Okay. That's the problem with straightening. I just want to keep straightening and straightening and straightening. And then it goes off. I love the on and off button. Really nice job. Thank you for the product. Thank you for allowing me this opportunity to review it. Here is the final product. Oh geez Louise. Sorry, I'm like flashing, smashing. Here's the back of my head. Hopefully you can see okay, but yeah, it feels really nice and smooth, and I like it. See you guys later.